Hello everyone, Deb here. I'm here with hashtag 52 Weeks of Colorspiration. Brandy of Left-Handed Crafter is our host. It's just she and I at this point. There were some others playing along, but I don't think anyone has been lately that I have seen anyway. This week is for October 26th. I am pre-recording this, so if you see me wearing the same rings and stuff, yeah, it's because I recorded about 4 or 5 videos in one day. Anyway, so this is the last Sunday of the month, the 26th of October, and that's the week that Brandy and I do the same page that we pre-selected, and this time it's out of this relaxation book. And I did something a little bit different for this one. I used all Aeon glitter gel pens. I think that's Aeon. Let me see. A-O-A-E-N. Aeon Art glitter pens. I have a pack of 100. And I had been using them for the Coloring with Tess collab, which I kind of stopped doing just because I don't have time. I was coloring all the time and I was starting to take joy out of it for me. I like doing a page or two a week, and that's perfect for me. Anyway, so let me show you what it is. There's nothing to show on the back. It's the page. Nope, it's not that one. It's not that one. It's right. I already showed this one. That was from August 31st. It's right in front of that one. And it is this. The fishy. So we pre-selected not based on the seasons. I think she did it like I picked 6, she picked 6, and then she organized them alphabetically. So I think this one was um, Ocean, aka Sea Life. So yeah, I used all glitter gel pen. You can see the shimmer a bit. Um, and I used 3 colors on this one, sort of a gold, orangey rust color, and a darker orange. And I think it came out cute. And then I did this one, which was like a very pale blush and sand colors. I don't know why the poor little starfish is frowning though. And everybody else is smiling. Well, I can't tell on this one. This is my dolphin or what do they call them? Porpoise. And I used 2 shades of blue, like a dark gray blue, and then this lighter blue, which I also put streaks of in the, you won't be able to see it, in the body, just to give it a little more oomph. And the turtle I did next, and that was just 2 shades of green. Kept it pretty simple. And then this one, I don't know if squids or octopi or whatever this is are, seems like when I see them, they're all just gray. And I didn't want to use gray because then I thought this side of the book will be not very colorful and this side will be very colorful and I didn't want that. So I used purple and pink. And I just used 2 shades of purple and 1 light pink. And then I put some of the purple streaks in it as well. So I did do this on October 1st, but you will see it on October 26th. And I was originally going to do the background, and I thought, no, this is supposed to be bold and easy for relaxation. I'm not going to go all out and I definitely wouldn't have done it with gel pens, which I actually was doing this on my patio on October 1st because the weather was beautiful. And also because halfway through the last page I did, which I think I showed on the 5th, the power went out. It was a planned outage, but it was too dark in the craft room. So I went out to the patio and it was beautiful and I ended up staying there for several hours working on several pages um, so I could see. But I didn't have all my materials there, and like I was going to use either chalk pastels or what are those other things called? The crayon paints. I forget what they're called. You know what I'm talking about, I'm sure. Anyway, I didn't. So, and I probably would have used like a sea green, a darker teal or sea green or something, but I just like how they pop off the page. Very cute, right? So that's my page for October 26th. We are almost to Halloween and almost to November and almost to my craft fair, my one and only for this year on November 1st. So I'm not in panic mode yet because it's only October 2nd when I'm filming this, but I will be by next week. So anyway, I'm trying to get a lot of stuff pre-recorded still. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a wonderful last week of October. And oh my goodness, we're full swing in fall by that time, right? All right, guys. See you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.